I promised I would show you some more videos cutting out invisible retainers, some fast little tricks. I use these three different tools, and it depends on what I'm doing and how I use them, but I'm going to teach you right now 3 different ways to cut out these and get these off the models as fast as possible so you can finish them. First way is the most aggressive. This is a cutting burr. I will have links in the description so you can see where to buy it. I like these because they're super fast. It's a super fast, easy way to remove a model. All you're going to do is take the back, cut across the 7 on both sides. Use a dull knife, pop the back off, and lift. Go underneath the model and pop it up. Pretty simple. Done. The only thing I don't like about using it is it's aggressive. You see how I cut into the model? That's the only thing that's bad about it. Otherwise, it's obviously pretty fast. Next one is called a Fischer Bur. Looks like this. Take this out. And I'm going to do the same exact technique. I'm going to cut into the model, cut across the 7s, and down. This way it takes a little bit slower, but it doesn't do the damage that the other burr does to the model. Same thing, I remove the heels. Proceed to lift up and pop the model off, or pop the retainer off the model. Done. Now the third way is my favorite way, and I'm going to have a link in the description where you can purchase these. It's very, very, very cheap diamond burrs. You can buy them on my Amazon website, my Amazon store. These work super fast, super great, and do barely any damage to the model. So you can see how fast that was. I pop this off, pop the model up, and you can see that there's barely any damage to the model. So this is a super fast, easy way to do these. And here, this is how fast this typically looks. This is in real time. So you can see that removing these is a piece of cake, and it does barely any damage to the model.